Hi guys, today I have a very exciting review for you. This review is in collaboration with Digital Horse. Digital Horse have kindly gifted this to me so that I can review it for you guys. And yeah, I'm just really excited. This is from Hooves Love and it is, well, I'll show you. I'll tell you what, this is very safely packaged because I was struggling to get into it. At least you know it was safe in the post, because there's no damage to it whatsoever. Ignore the fact that I've just butchered the box to get into it, but open it up and ooh la la, look at this. It's purple, which is my favorite color, as everybody probably knows by now. Got really nice tissue paper with the Hooves and Love sticker. It looks very smart indeed. I'm gonna do some satisfying, oh, it didn't quite peel, but and oh my goodness, look how nicely packaged this is. And we've got a cute little card here as well. That's stunning. And there is the box. How stunning is that? Oh my goodness. Got the logo there on the box and a beautifully tied bow, which I believe Emma does all on her own. So here we have it. The box is open and inside is another box, but this one is very smart. I love that Emma has gone to the extent to keep this super safe. There is no damage to the box whatsoever. The ribbon isn't squashed or anything, so this is very carefully thought through. It looks amazing when you open the box. It's like, ooh, it just feels like a touch of luxury. Here we go, there's a look at the box. How pretty is this? Ah. Now this could be quite satisfying. Are we ready? I almost don't want to do this because it's so pretty. Ah. Here we go, guys. You're getting the first look at this, as am I. More gorgeous packaging. Love that. Look how the tissue paper actually has that silver text on it. Honestly, Emma, you have gone to like above and beyond all expectations with the way this is presented. I feel like this is Christmas or my birthday or something. I feel so spoilt with this. And just imagine, like, Hooves and Love do gift boxes, as you can see. They do bespoke gifts and other bits and bobs. Honestly, go and check their website out because they have some amazing stuff available. But imagine getting this for someone, you know, someone you care about, maybe your mummy, maybe a grandmother or a best friend. Imagine just their faces receiving something like this. It is honestly like so luxurious. But yes, let's get into it finally, because all these layers, like, do you remember playing Pass the Parcel when you're a kid? That's what this feels like right now, except I'm always the kid that gets to open the next layer, which is super exciting. Okay, here we go. Are we ready? Ah! Oh my goodness! Look at that holographic glory! And there's another little gift tag in here. It says the Nay collection, and a lovely little tag which says, where there are hooves, there is love. Ain't that the truth? So yes, here is the You Had Me at Nay sweatshirt. Look how glorious this is. I chose for the glitter sparkle because, you know, it's a bit of me. I love that it's like the dark sweater but the little bit of glittery rainbow goodness, which just about sums me up, really. So let's finally get it out the packaging, shall we? I got this in the XXL. I love it so much. Ah, this is amazing. Okay, so let's go through my initial thoughts. Looks a very good size. I think this is definitely going to fit me, which is always kind of a worry for me being plus size. Super excited because it definitely looks big enough for me. I absolutely adore this design on the front. The quality feels really nice. This doesn't feel like a really dense sweatshirt. I think you could easily wear this all year round, whether it's just a bit chilly in the summer evenings or in the mornings before it gets really hot, or in the winter just as like a second layer maybe. You've got the Hooves and Love logo there inside. Give you a close-up. And on the inside is a super soft fleece lining, but like I say, not too thick. It looks a good length as well. The sleeves also look a good length. I'm very excited to try this on. Let's give it a go. Okay guys, here it is. I absolutely love this. This is so soft and so comfortable. This is actually literally the perfect fit for me. It finishes here on me, which I really like. It covers your bum. This design is so pretty. I really can't get over it. I just think this is like so simple, but having the glitter just adds that little bit of pizzazz. But you don't have to have the glitter. Emma does offer sort of more plain options, but you know, I like to sparkle, so I had to get this. Now it's just time to wear it around and test it out. So yeah, let's get to it. So I've just been doing my hay. You can see I've got some hay stuck to my sleeve there, but overall not much at all. And the great thing is, look at that, just brushes straight off. And I'm going to Tesco's after this, so this is great. Won't have to look like that, you know, typical horse person that goes to Tesco's after they've been to the yard, although, you know, kind of still fit the bill. So here are my final thoughts on the beautiful Hooves Love You Had Me at Nay sweatshirt. This has been worn and washed a couple of times now, and I'll just stand up so you can see. It's not peeling or anything. The design is still very much intact. I would happily wear this to the yard, to go out for lunch, because I think it's really smart. I don't feel like it's too horsey. I think it's quite stylish. If you're wanting to get a gift for someone for like Christmas or their birthday or something like that, the gift boxes that are on offer are absolutely amazing, and they already come beautifully gift wrapped, so if you're really bad at wrapping, you don't have to worry about doing that kind of thing, and you get the option to do like a little personalised message in them as well. And it's not just specifically horsey related, like there are candle gift sets, tea gift sets, there's a gentleman's gift set, so there's actually a huge range for everybody, even for our non-horsey family members. So yes, overall absolutely ecstatic over this product. Would highly recommend to everybody. It's easy to wear, easy to wash, and the way it's presented is impeccable really. I do recommend you go and check out the website so you can get an idea of all the glorious gift sets that are available, both bespoke and the gift sets that are already set up and ready to go. Thank you very much Digital Horse, and of course to Hooves Love for this amazing opportunity and the lovely sweatshirt, which I will make the most of now that the weather is turning colder. Thanks for watching guys, until the next one, bye!